If you want to instantly see how users navigate your website, you need to turn their data into a Sankey diagram to reveal the hidden click path. The click path refers to the exact sequence of clicks a user takes on a website or app, from their entry point to their final exit or conversion. SankeyEngine provides 3 analytical views. Downstream Impact is built to deliver absolute focus, target a single node, and effectively trace its future impact. Instead of using a slow, static view, SankeyEngine dynamically simulates the domino effect based on the selected node. The main logic behind Upstream Analytics is to look for a bottleneck in a complex workflow and find the root cause. As we follow the lines back to the start, you can see exactly where the pressure comes from. The Structure Analysis mode allows you to click on a node and get detailed data on direct inputs and outcomes. The real value behind this analytics is to look for a hidden error on a critical user path. If you want to learn more about our engine, please check the link in the description.